Hi everyone, it's Dr. Hazel Wallace from The Food Medic, and I'm back with instant browns for the second recipe of my 4-part healthy recipe series. Today we're going to be making a frittata, roast pepper, tomato and spinach frittata, which is really delicious and only requires 5 ingredients, which I'm sure you've got at home as well. Of course, we're using the Instant Pot Pro Crisp. We're going to be using 2 lids today, starting with the pressure cooker lid and then going towards the air fryer lid. So the ingredients you're going to need: 6 eggs, which I've already whisked, some spinach, some feta cheese, roasted red peppers, which I've taken from a jar, but you can roast them at home, and some cherry tomatoes. Hopefully you're cooking at home with me. Let me know in the comment section wherever you are in the world. So in with the tomatoes, the chopped red pepper going in there, your spinach, and then I'm going to use most of the feta, but I'm going to leave about 1/4 of it so we can crumble that on top at the end. So you're just going to break it with your hand into the mixture like this. And we're going to season with some salt and a little bit of black pepper. Give it a little mix. I have my prepared oven cooked dish, whichever one you have at home, and I've put some baking parchment in the base. So I'm just going to pour that gently in, try not to spill it everywhere. So now we're going to get our pressure cooker ready. First we're going to add a cup of water to the base of our pot. And we're going to get a little trivet. Place your dish on top of this gently and slowly just lower it into the pot. We're just going to secure the lid, make sure your arrows are lined up, and then lock it closed. And in the meantime, I'm going to clean up. So we've let it naturally release its pressure for 7 minutes, and I'm going to just quick release to release the rest of the pressure. So now that the valve is dropped, I can open the lid. So I'm going to carefully lift the frittata out of the pot. I'm going to empty my inner pot of any water, and then we're going to air fry the top. So that goes back in there. Before I put this back in, I'm going to get my remaining feta cheese and crumble this on top. Okay, so we're going to pop it back into our Instant Pot. So we're going to pop our air fryer lid on now. Just make sure that's on nice and secure. And I'm going to select the grill function and set my time to 7 minutes. And start. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it looks really good and it smells really good. So I'm just going to lift it out. The fat is just so golden and crispy. So there you have it. That is the perfect frittata, good for breakfast, lunch or dinner. I love making it ahead of time to save time in the week. I also only used a few ingredients, and like I said, it's super versatile, so you can use any ingredients that you have. Let me know in the comment section what you make, and I'll see you next week for recipe number 3.